Hey, welcome to TinyTOM Reacts. Today's video, a flip gone wrong. Let's get into it. Oh no!
Yeah.
Oh.
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Mom.
Nasty ass. He said, "You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth." Oh, it was the push up. He pushed it up into his mouth too.
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
Oh my god.
You shit in my mouth.
Oh, you shit it in my mouth. This nigga, he did a pull up. He pulled her up and she
Mom.
went, "What?" No, 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 no. I want a divorce. I want a divorce right now.
Yeah.
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
What he should have did is just tombstone her right there. It's over. It's over. Just tombstone her from there. Just tombstone her. And end it all. Cause that
Mom.
was disgusting. That was raw, man. That was raw, bro. Oh, that was raw.
Yeah.
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
Thought you loved me. Why would you do this?
You
That's
shit
all.
in my mouth.
That's all he gonna smell for a month.
Mom.
I bet that's how he's breathing. Trying to blow that shit the fuck out of his mouth. Get it out.
Yeah.
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
Lord. Lord. Ah. Ah.
Mom.
Jesus. That's probably how he felt. But he couldn't get it out because he didn't want to embarrass her. But and she just finished eating lunch.
Yeah.
So he barely had to move. Just,
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
just stop. Oh,
You shit in my mouth.
just pile drive her. Oh. Oh.
Mom.
Hurricane Arana shit in his mouth. Damn, Pops. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry for you. It's enough he had struggle lifted her ass, like holding her up.
Yeah.
And when she got up there, she just
You
couldn't.
shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
That's nasty, man.
You shit in my mouth.
You don't give a fuck. You gotta kiss that mouth, lady. Just take your straight to
Mom.
the bathroom and brush your teeth. Oh my god. Who taught you how to do this? Where did they try to fucking
Yeah.
people up, man? That's what you get.
You shit in my mouth. You shit in my mouth.
You trying this TikTok shit,
You
this is what
shit in
happened.
my mouth.
I'm out, man. That was disgusting as fuck. That lady is mean.
Mom.
She's mean, man. She's fucking mean.